Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. SHOUTOUT TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of all the viruses and bloatware off your Mac and Windows computer. The process is very similar between Mac and Windows, so you shouldn't have any issue with it. Now this software is free to use and doesn't need any trials or anything like that. I will show you how to get rid of all that. You don't need to purchase anything, it's absolutely free. So if you guys do enjoy this video and if it does help you get rid of any viruses, bloatware, any of that stuff, be sure to let me know down in the comments and be sure to let everyone else know that this does work. And before we do get started, as you guys know, on my channel I give shoutouts almost every single video to the most active people on my YouTube channel and my Twitter. So if you're commenting all the time, saying something nice or constructive about my channel, I'll be sure to give you that free shout out. And of course the same thing on my Twitter. If you just like my tweets, say hi, respond to them, you know, the polls and all that cool stuff, you guys will win a free shout out. Now these are the winners of the shout out today, so be sure to show them some love, subscribe to them, check them out, tell them TechnoTrend sent you, and of course if you win they'll do the same. That's basically it for all my announcements. Hope you guys do enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe if this method does work for you, and of course tell other people about it. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys want to do is be sure to click the link in the description. It'll take you to some ad agency. All you have to do is click skip ad. After you do that, I'll send you to this website called Malwarebytes. This is the download section of the page. Now if you have Mac, click on download free for Mac, and if you have Windows, click download free for Windows. So since I'm on a Windows, I'm going to click download free for Windows. So it's around the same process, the installation process, so it shouldn't be that different. But for Macs, you know, just follow along as best you can. If not, just go in the comment section, ask me, because I do have a Mac as well and I will help you. So click download free, whichever one you have, wait for the installation. Alright, there it is. And once it finishes installing, just tap it, click yes, or allow this app, then click OK for English, agree and install. Alright, now that Malwarebytes is finished installing, you click it finished. Alright, now that Malwarebytes is opened, you don't need to upgrade or do all this licensing. You really don't need to do that. Now first thing we're going to do is click scan, then click start scan. You guys can do, like, if you guys have a serious like want to clean out everything, just do a hyper scan. If you guys just want to get rid of a virus, all you have to do is click threat scan. So click start scan, and again, please don't have any of these running in the background because it will slow it down drastically, especially if you have a ton of files like me. So click start scan, and this may take a while depending on how fast your computer is and also how many stuff you have installed. Alright, now that the Malwarebytes scan is complete, all you have to do is check if you have any threats. So I have 0 threats. All you have to do, if you do have threats, just go to quarantine, and it should have a list of them. Then it should say erase or do something with them, and it's going to ask you, are you sure? You just click yes. It's very simple, guys, trust me. Or it could say here in the scan as well if you have something to do. It's very basic and simple. After you quarantine this and remove the threat from your computer, it'll say, would you like to restart your computer? Just click yes, and it'll restart it and it'll make it fresh again. That's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to leave a like and subscription towards my name. I'm trying to hit 10K and I'm almost there. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys do have a good day and a good time watching this video. Have a good one. Peace.